Every morning I wake up, it can feel like a nightmare.
We have a former college student. He's missing from his apartment.
Morgan, are you at home?
What the? What is that? Finding people before they come to harm is why I signed up to work missing persons. But now I'm coming to terms with that not always being a reality.
He just didn't disappear. Somebody out here knows something.
Sheriff Department, stop the car!
No matter what, we will find you, dead or alive. I'm so sorry. I'm just thinking this could be a lot bigger than what we're thinking it is.
Wait, is that man following her?
We have information that suggests this may be a homicide. Sometimes you get a case that takes you to places you never thought possible. He's violent, and he's the last person to see him alive. But I took a pledge to keep going.
Did you see them?
No matter what the cost.
Beverly!